Midnight sneaking through my door again. Got these tired eyes fixed on the rain. Hearts in pieces scattered on the floor. This old guitar, my only paramour. Streetlights flicker in a ghostly glow. Lonely nights everywhere I go. Whiskey bottle lying on its side. Dreams all tangled, got no place to hide. Sing the blues like it's the only truth I know. Feel the beats take me where the shadows grow. Play the pain from my fingers to the sky. Midnight blue, tell me why I gotta try. Echoes linger from the chords I strum. Every lonely note, my heart beating drum. Darkness whispers secrets in my ear, singing stories only midnight can hear. City's sleeping, but my mind's awake. Every memory, the ghost of a mistake. Midnight creeping through my veins once more, breaking chains I can't ignore.